This victory for Uganda People's Congress and its flag bearer is a great one, and it has set our pace that needs to be sustained with hard work, commitment, and teamwork, which gives tremendous hope for the party in the rebuilding phase and in competing with others on the national political scene, thus getting the party ready for the entire process of the 2026 general elections. During the Oyam North by-election campaigns, we presented a very strong candidate, and our message was well received by the electorate. The demand was also made to all stakeholders to ensure a free and fair elections. We most strongly condemn the undemocratic acts of ballot stuffing, especially at 3 noticeable polling stations. This is at Wanglobo, Achokara, and Barumele in Otwal sub-county, which was done in full view of men in uniform. This is a clear manifestation that a lot of similar incidents may have happened in other areas where we had less manpower.
I would like to declare this press conference closed.